For me, without question, the star of the Christmas dinner is this, a delicious turkey. Now, once this is in the oven, you're halfway there. Now, we're gonna make an amazing butter. Soft butter. A touch of salt and pepper. A little touch of olive oil in there. That stops the butter from burning. Next, add the zest of 2 lemons and their juice. This gives the flavoured butter a wonderful citrus zing. 3 cloves of garlic. Then add a generous handful of chopped parsley. Wow, that smells incredibly light. Give that a good mix. Butter done. Now prepare the turkey. We're going to season the bird inside the cavity. Salt and pepper. Next, half 2 onions and pop them in. As they roast, they steam inside the bird, giving it a lovely sweetness. Put in the lemon and a couple of bay leaves for their bitter-sweet, spicy flavour. You can see the bird is upright and it's looking sort of like it's standing to attention. Now it's time to add the flavoured butter. Just very, very carefully open up the skin. The idea is to gently loosen the skin with your fingers so the butter can be stuffed underneath it. From there, now take your butter and stick that in there. Underneath, one side. And finish covering the breast with the butter. You can do all this the night before and simply cover the turkey with tin foil and keep it in the fridge, ready to be cooked on Christmas Day. Into the tray, a little touch of olive oil. Again, that protects it, gets that skin really nice and crispy, and it stops the butter from burning. Now, in the oven at 220 for 10 minutes to get really nice and brown, quickly. That smells fantastic. After 10 minutes, take the turkey out of the oven and baste. Then cover the breasts with smoked streaky bacon. So the bacon protects it, stops it from drying out. This 5-kilogram bird, it needs roasting for 2.5 hours. Back in. And now she's on the way. Look at that. Beautiful. It's as pretty as a Christmas tree. That smells fantastic. Wow. Look at that. To test the turkey is cooked, stick a knife into the bottom of the thigh, and if the juices run clear, it's done. The secret now is to let the turkey rest uncovered for 2.5 hours. As the meat relaxes, it reabsorbs its juices, making it succulent and tender, plus it'll be easier to carve. That looks like $1 million. Let that rest. The key to pulling all the different elements of your Christmas dinner together on the plate is the gravy. My recipe for turkey gravy, made with cider and walnuts, has a wonderful, appley, nutty flavour. Onion and bacon in. That smells incredible. Snap off the wing. Add that into your gravy. Everyone throws them away. Bang. Flavour, delicious. Fry that off. Next, pour in the dry cider. This adds a lovely subtle apple flavour that really lifts the taste of the turkey meat. As the cider starts to reduce, pour in the delicious resting juices from the roasted turkey. Pour in the chicken stock and reduce again. In. Now sieve it. Use the back of the ladle to push it through the sieve, extracting every last drop of flavour. Simply add crushed walnuts to the bottom of the gravy boat and ladle in the hot gravy.